learners, in our today's offline video lecture of class 11th information practices, our topic will be software and its types. In this topic, we will understand what is software, what is the purpose of software, and what are the various types of software. This topic is presented to you by Ankur Pandita, teacher BHSS Drugmulla. So let us start with what is software. The term software is used for a sequence of instructions given to a computer to perform a specific task. So students, software comprises sequence of instructions which enable a computer to perform a specific task. So the set of instructions that takes data from input devices, manipulate and process the data and send it to the output device is called software. This is the definition of software in other words. So eventually we can classify software as the term which refers to a set of computer programs, procedures and associated documents describing the programs and how they are to be used. So what is software? They refers to a set of computer programs. Software is essentially a set of computer programs, procedures and associated documents describing the programs and how these programs are to be used to perform specific tasks. Computer software consists of a programs and enables a computer to perform specific tasks as opposed to its physical components, hardware, which can only do the task they are mechanically designed for. So software is the soul of computer, whereas hardware are the physical equipments which are associated with the computer. These are the hardware are the physical devices. This software is the logical. This is the soul of computer. These are the set of instructions which make these hardwares work. So as computer software is loaded in a computer storage such as hard drive, a memory or RAM. Computer software needs to be loaded into a computer storage such as its hard drive, its memory or RAM. Once the software is loaded, the computer is able to execute the software in central processing unit. So when we load the software in the memory of the computer executes the software in CPU. So in short, the software are the set of instructions or the set of programs which enables the computer to do specific tasks, which makes the hardware work. So software makes the hardware work. Without software, hardware is nothing. Software is the brain of the hardware. Software makes the various physical devices work. This is the soul, this is the logical unit of the computer. Hardware being the physical unit of the computer. What is programming? Programming is the process by which a set of instructions is written for the programs to perform some specific activity. Students, computer software is a set of programs. So what is programming? In programming, we write a set of instructions which enable a computer to perform some specific activity. Programs written in computer are referred as software. Remember, students, there are various computer languages in computer developed over the years which are used to write computer programs, and these programs, package of these programs makes our software. So students, I repeat, computer programs are written in various computer languages like C, C++, Java, .NET. These are the various computer languages in which computer programs are written, and the set of these programs comprises our software. Students, types of software. There are two types of software: system software and application software. Although the range of software available today is vast and varied, we classify most of software into two categories. There are numerous softwares available. We use computer in every field. So in every field we have various softwares which perform specific activities. So all these software have been characterized into two types: system software and application software. Now students, what is system software? System software includes operating system and all the utilities that enable the computer to function. So system software is the main software which is required for a computer for its own functioning. It comprises the operating system which makes the computer work. So a system software is the main software of the computer which is required by the computer for its own functioning. So system software is a term referring to any computer software which manages and controls the hardware so that other application software can perform a task. Examples of system software are those software which manages and controls our hardware. Example: operating system which operates our computer, which is responsible for switching on and switching off our computer and also booting our computer. Compiler, loader, linker, interpreters, these are the main software which is required for functioning of our hardware, and so they are classified as system software. Now comes the category of application software. Application software is a set of one or more programs which solves a specific task. Remember students, application software are for specific tasks. Specific tasks need specific software which are characterized in application software. Application software includes programs that do real work for a user. For example, payroll system. System is used to generate pay of employees, inventory control, manage student database. Word, which is used to write various application, and also for office work, spreadsheet for calculations in computer, PowerPoint for making power presentation, DBMS for making database. These are all software for specific tasks, and so they are categorized as application software. So students, all the software have been classified into two types, namely system software and application software. System software comprises the main software of the computer which is required for the functioning of its hardware, while as application software is that software which is necessary for computer to perform a specific task for any specific activity. Like we have MS Word, Microsoft Word for making office documents. We have spreadsheet for making calculation sheets. We have PowerPoint for making presentations. We have database management, MSSS for managing database. Students, in our next video we will be defining in detail the various aspects of system software, that is operating system, what is the functions of the operating system, and then we move to various categories of application software. Students, this is it for today. Students, stay at home, stay safe.